Getting your hands on fresh, extra virgin olive oil is just as important as buying the freshest fruits and vegetables. It can mean the difference between a pasta dish that's fantastic or a total flop. So here are 3 things you can do to assess the quality of any extra virgin olive oil before you buy it. Start with the harvest date. A best buy date might be 24 to 32 months after the oil was bottled and up to 1 to 2 years after it was pressed. A harvest date is a much more precise indication of freshness. You want to look for the most recent date, and remember that in Europe and the US, olives are harvested in the fall and winter, so most bottles will list the previous year. You also want to make sure that you're avoiding olive oil in clear containers. Dark containers shield the oil from damaging light. And finally, check your oil's origin. Bottlers often print where the oil was sourced from right on the label, and you want to look for oil that has been sourced from a single country.